When I pour wine into a glass, the first thing I do, I look at it. And the color tells me something about the wine. And in this case, it's rosé. And when I poured it, I noticed the bubbles coming out, which tells me that it's a sparkling rosé. The next thing I do is I swirl it around and I smell. The smell of this wine really is wonderful. It's both floral and savory. I'm smelling this wine and I am smelling an intense aroma, mainly of strawberry and lemon zest, maybe orange zest, and also some savory aromas that remind me of umami. So the next thing I do, I take a sip of the wine and keep it on my tongue for a few seconds and then swallow. This will cleanse my tongue. Next thing I do, I will take another sip. And this time I will concentrate on what I'm tasting. It's really coming through more strawberry and more lemon zest and some savory flavors that remind me of umami. And then I taste again for the third time and I start concentrating on the finish. Well, the finish is long. It doesn't go away. It stays and it's very pleasant. I think this is a gentle wine and it will not compete with mild flavors and elegant flavors of sushi. And it goes very well with spicy foods because of the bubbles. This wine will pair very well with a spicy tuna roll, with hamachi, and with unagi. I recommend it highly.